Hey guys, a short update on the price of Bitcoin, and as you can see, we are in a good shape because we had a very long growth period, and it was like, I don't know, 7 green candles. We actually went above the previous all-time high, and I'm intentionally on a weekly time frame with this chart because it looks like we have the major kind of a volume area, trading area here, another trading area here. We have the support resistance level over there, about $93,000, and we have the channels which work perfectly all the time. So the price goes within the channel, and then we see the breaking the channel back downside to the upside. So we have another breakout right now, and it's very likely, in my opinion, that if we continue to do this, we'll go to this level of support slash resistance. We'll reach, or maybe not, a little higher than that, maybe 96,000, something like that, 97,000. Then we'll reach the middle line of Bollinger Bands, and that would be the end of our correction. Some people would actually also have the Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracement map showing here, and that is I would say 38.2. 38.2 is a good level, so that would be the good point to start considering maybe adding more to your long positions. I'm not saying this is financial advice, of course, because this is my personal opinion. I will do that probably, and there's another chance that we have the strong correlation with S&P 500, and S&P 500 actually looks relatively strong here, with all the chance that we'll go to close this kind of gap that with potential surge to the upside after that. But it may happen that we actually can break build here something like a bull flag and then go to the upside from there after a certain number of weeks staying within this range. So therefore Bitcoin may actually stay above 100k, and that would be a short correction, something like $103,000. That would be the top area of this like a zone, trading zone before, with a lot of volume, a lot of support. So depends how many people, how many institutions rather, want to compete for the cheap price on Bitcoin, right? And another piece in this puzzle is Ether, and Ether actually, of course, also had like a huge rise here. We would like to have a correction, but maybe this correction won't be too strong, and within this range, and then go to the upside, showing the same price action as BTC did, reaching the top area of Bollinger Bands, because Bitcoin already showed that we already reached that upper Bollinger Band line, and Bollinger Band per se. And altcoins and Ether in particular, they follow what Bitcoin does, just a little bit later, right? So Ether can do the same thing, and it just perfectly aligns with the whole range of things about the price action with crypto market in general. So I think we're in a good shape, and we also have the weekly time frame oscillators almost reaching the top point, but I would argue that it's likely that we'll see something like this, or like this, or maybe even like this. But that means that we will have the consolidation, and then after that we'll continue to see the growth of this price of this asset. So again, I'm positive. I expect much higher price. I don't think that we have a high chance going below 75, even less, much lesser chance to go, a smaller chance to go below 50k. So probably it's some reasonable correction, some consolidation within this wide range, and then a new rise to the upside, new all-time high, maybe even change the first number from 1 to 2 at some point within this year. That would be awesome. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope that you got something interesting, something useful from this video. Of course, I'll keep you updated within the weekend if something interesting happens, but if not, then see you next time on Monday. I'll try to make another update here on YouTube. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.